Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a timeless classic that distills the secrets of success and wealth into essential principles. At its core, Hill emphasizes the power of thought and desire. He believes that a burning desire to be and to do is crucial for achieving any goal. This desire acts as a catalyst that energizes our actions, propelling us toward our deepest ambitions and dreams. The next pivotal concept is the importance of faith. Hill posits that unwavering belief in oneself and one's goals can transform dreams into reality. This faith acts like a magnet, attracting opportunities and resources necessary for success. It is in maintaining this faith that individuals find the strength to push through adversities and setbacks, creating a resilient mindset that fuels progress. Furthermore, Hill introduces the idea of specialized knowledge. He urges readers to develop expertise in their chosen field, as knowledge is the foundation of success. However, he also notes that knowledge alone is not enough. It must be combined with action. By applying this specialized knowledge diligently, individuals set themselves apart from the crowd, enhancing their chances of success significantly. Another compelling principle is the concept of the mastermind. Hill believes in the power of collaboration and networking. Surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals creates a supportive environment where ideas can flourish. This mastermind group serves as a source of inspiration, accountability, and encouragement, propelling each member toward their collective goals. Together, they form a powerful force that strengthens individual and group capabilities. Persistence is yet another critical factor in achieving success. Hill contends that many people give up just before they reach their breakthrough moment. Cultivating a persistent attitude allows individuals to overcome challenges and keep moving forward despite obstacles, reinforcing the idea that success often lies just beyond the point of initial failure. Finally, Hill underscores the importance of a definite purpose. He encourages readers to specify what they truly want out of life and to formulate a clear plan for achieving it. This clarity provides direction and motivation, ensuring that every step taken aligns with the ultimate goal. Without a definite purpose, individuals may drift aimlessly, like a ship without a compass, missing opportunities that could lead to their desired success. In conclusion, Think and Grow Rich serves as a powerful guide to unlocking one's potential. By embracing the principles of desire, faith, specialized knowledge, collaboration, persistence, and definitive purpose, anyone can set themselves on a path toward lasting success and wealth. This book is not merely a guide to accumulating riches, but rather a roadmap for achieving a fulfilling and meaningful life.